Nicole Scherzinger looked incredible as she stripped down to a tiny bikini while posing on a yacht. The Pussycat Doll, 43, uploaded the steamy snaps to Instagram, showing off her enviable figure. 3. Nicole looked incredible as she stripped down to a tiny bikini. 3. The singer flaunted her figure by posing in a number of positions. Nicole stunned in a series of positions, before asking her followers, going into the weekend like, motorboat. Which POV do you like most? Side, crab, or front, spiral shell? The singer's fans went wild for the photos, with one writing, "This is getting out of hand, fire, 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 heart." Another asked, "Why are you so beautiful, romantic face?" And a third added, "Stunning, starstruck, queen, princess." Nicole is currently on holiday in Mexico with her rugby player boyfriend Tom Evans, and the couple recently teamed up for a hilarious jacuzzi video which saw them both dancing in swimwear. Don't Cha hitmaker Nicole showed off her sensational figure as she partied in a lilac bikini. She looked flawless in the swimwear with a thong bikini that highlighted her toned bum. Tom also flaunted his toned bod as he went topless for the video. He danced along with his girlfriend wearing red swim shorts. It's no wonder Nicole is making the most of her free time while she can, after The Sun revealed she's making a solo music comeback. Announcing her return, she said during an intimate show in Los Angeles, "I've been doing some writing lately, working on this album." Nicole, who had 5 solo top 10 singles, including a #1 with Don't Hold Your Breath, has already recorded several tracks after collaborating with a series of established songwriters. 3. She is currently on holiday in Mexico with boyfriend Tom.